At VIO, our goal is experience. VIO Store offers a range of high-end products sourced from around the world. It's designed to deliver the travel experience while you earn travel points towards your next trip. Enjoy the flavors of VIO's coffee, responsibly sourced from the best growing regions around the world, like Kenya, Guatemala, and Sumatra. Led by our certified Q-grader, we small batch roast our beans in-house to maintain freshness. Taste VIO's authentic spices, inspired by global cuisine and selected by our own award-winning executive chef. From India to Greece, experience a variety of cultures with these easy-to-prepare, delicious meals. Smell VIO's exotic essential oils sourced directly from ethical producers across 6 continents. Buyers continually travel the globe and spare no effort to maintain quality, keeping our oils 100% pure with no pesticides or chemical fertilizers. At VIO Store, every purchase gets you closer to your travel dreams. Experience the world from your home while earning points to travel more often. VIO, experience life.